Hello students, how are you all? Welcome to the class. Students, in our previous video we had discussed about the simple complex tissues here. So in that we had studied about the parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma, and today that are complex tissue. So complex permanent tissues, about these we will study here. So that complex tissues are the phloem and xylem. Students, so first one is you will study about the phloem. So phloem is a complex tissue which serves as the main pathway for food translocation in vascular plants. It is very important, and phloem tissue, it consists of 4 types of cells, that are sieve tubes. It is important question, that are sieve tubes and sieve plates and phloem parenchyma and phloem fibers. So here you are seeing all the things in the given diagram. So that is sieve tubes diagram here in this figure, and this one is the transverse section of phloem tissue. So students, here in tissue, you know that there are 4 types, 4 parts, that are, third one is sclerenchyma, phloem sclerenchyma, about that we had discussed, and next one is phloem parenchyma. So like these, the xylem, they have also tracheids, vessels, xylem parenchyma, tracheids, vessels, xylem parenchyma and xylem fibers. It also have 4 parts. So at first we will discuss about the phloem. So here in phloem, you know that after tracheid and vessel there are phloem sclerenchyma, and then these sclerenchyma occurs in both primary and secondary phloem. Fibers are elongated cells with lignified secondary walls and simple pits, and its separate and mucilaginous fibers also occur in the phloem. You know that phloem parenchyma, these are elongated cells and that are oriented with their long axis and parallel with sieve tubes, and the cells in parenchyma are living with cellulose. Okay, this one is very important, that this phloem parenchyma, that is living. Okay, now it has cellulose wall and store food materials. Next one is, you know that phloem, it translocates the food materials upward or downward in a plant. Next one is xylem. So students, xylem, it is also a complex tissue which is mainly responsible for the conduction of water and dissolved mineral nutrients. So xylem tissue, it consists of 4 cells, that is tracheids. So you know tracheids, vessels, xylem fibers and xylem parenchyma. So here you are seeing that xylem fibers are elongated dead cells with lignified wall, you are seeing in the given diagram, and cells have thick walled and reduced pit borders. And next one is xylem parenchyma associates with xylem, that is called xylem or wood parenchyma, and these cells, they store the food in form of starch and fats. And what is the function of xylem? So you know that translocation of water and minerals, that takes place through the xylem, and also it provides the mechanical strength. Students, you know that tracheids and vessels, their functions. So here one is important, that in tracheids pits are less in numbers and transverse walls are present, and tracheids are found in all vascular plants, but in vessels they are cylindrical tube like structure, and tracheids are elongated cells. Now diameter of vessel is more than tracheids. Pits are more in numbers, here pits were less in numbers, and transverse walls are generally absent, and vessels are generally present in angiospermic plant and in some gymnosperm. Okay, now next one is animal tissue. So students, in plant tissues we had find that these having 2 types of tissues. One is meristematic tissue and second is permanent tissue. So meristematic, that are further divided into apical, lateral and intercalary, and that permanent tissue, that is of two types, simple permanent and complex permanent. So simple permanent that are also divided into three parts, that is that three types are parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma, and that complex tissue, that is xylem and phloem. And in xylem and phloem it is very important because it used to conduction in the plants. So our next topic is animal tissues. We will discuss this topic in our next video. Till then, thank you everyone.